In this short video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how you can connect GoHighLevel to n8n to actually make everything streamlined, because by far GoHighLevel as my CRM software is my favorite because it handles all my clients, all my projects. This is how I make money. And I want to show you actually how to put this all together. So with that being said, you obviously need two separate softwares. One is n8n and the other one is GoHighLevel. So if you need any of those links, I'll put in the link in the description down below. But let's kick things off with n8n. You obviously need a blank canvas, so let's just come into this real quick and just type in GHL, just GoHighLevel. Pick any of these actions, it doesn't really matter. From here, you'll be brought up to this page. So obviously you double click into GoHighLevel, go into this drop down and click on create new credential. So we're gonna have all this ready for now. But to get things going on GoHighLevel side, you actually don't go into the app itself. You have to go to a separate website, and it's called marketplace.gohighlevel.com. Once you're there, you just got to sign in. I already have done that. And as you can see, this is actually where it brings me. I just tested out my software now because I just want to make sure I remember everything. But let me walk you through what you have to do. But anyways, when you get to this page, once you're logged in, you just got to click in the top right corner, which is create an app. Give it a name. So I'm just going to call it n8n YouTube. Okay, everything is still the same. Create app. Once that is done, you're going to go over to advanced settings, auth. Let that load up a second here. Now, a few things. We got to go back into n8n, come back to the OAuth redirect URL, copy that by clicking on it, come back to GoHighLevel Marketplace, paste that in, click add, click save, and then we have to go click on scopes. So you got to know which scopes to put into, and what we have to do here is we're going to come down to scopes. So there's a few here, as you can see right now, and it's all like there's 6 of them. Yeah, 6 of them. So just gonna fast forward through this, but I'll show you how to do the first two. Locations.read only. Come back in here. Locations.read only. Come back to n8n. Make sure we have the next one. Where'd it go? Oops. Scopes. Oh, yeah, just open doc. Scroll down. We have our locations read only, contacts read only, contacts read only, contacts.write. Blast through this real quick. Come back to it. Now we have all 6 of them in there, as you can already see in the document right here. These are the scopes we have to put in. And just to make sure it's all matched up, these are the 6 we have to go into. Okay, once you have that done, click on save once again. We're going to come back to n8n because we have to put in these same scopes for some bizarre reason. So we're going to copy and paste each one, put it inside, put a space in between each because that's just how it works. Space. Blast through this one more time. Okay. So now that I have all those same 6 and they're spaced out by a space in between each one because you need that, we'll come back to GoHighLevel. You're going to save it. Once that's saved, you can come back here, click on this little circle thing, and then we're going to click on add. Okay, I'm going to give it a name. So n8n.youtube.n8n-youtube because it's a demo for YouTube. I'll delete this afterwards, so even if you see anything, you can't really use it. Then from here, we get a client ID, copy that, come back into n8n, paste that inside, come back to GoHighLevel, take this guy, paste inside, click on save, oh, connect my account, sorry. Then we gotta connect to our account, just give it a second, scroll to the bottom, click on next, click on your sub count, connection successful, done. I'm already logged in, that's why. But there you go. Now, let's just double check that we actually have everything set up properly. So I just want to save this real quick. Come back to GoHighLevel. Let's choose Get Many. And I just want to execute this step to see if we actually get a bunch of results. And I do. There you go. These are the same ones that I find inside of my contacts, which I'm not going to pull up because that is personal. But there you go. That is literally how you connect GoHighLevel to n8n. And it's super straightforward. Hopefully that made sense to you. If you have any questions, let me know. But if you like this type of content, if you don't know how to actually use and sell n8n workflows on GoHighLevel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and hit the notification bell because I'll show you exactly what I'll be doing. Hopefully you found it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one.